It's a Glock 45, original Austrian make. It's a very nice weapon. You can see that it's a 45 auto. It's one of the best pistol ever made in the world. Super rugged, extremely dependable, almost takes any sort of ammo. You can see it's a 45. Hollow points are already there in the magazine. It's a 13 shots plus 1, total 14 shots magazine. Comes with 2 magazine and a speed loader as well, multiple grips. Very nice pistol. Now CMT is supposed to produce this pistol in India, but they have not started their production so far. So this is being owned by one of my very close friend. He has recently purchased this, so just for your pleasure for eyes. Nice pistol.